OHS, welcome back to Daily Announcements. Today is
Friday,
April 3rd. What are you doing?
I'm hanging out in the hammock.
Just hanging out in the hammock?
Yeah.
Alright. We have a bunch of volunteers. We could definitely use more for the Senior Citizen Pen Pal program. Continue to get in touch with Mrs. Spalding about that. Thank you for those of you who already have. Mrs. Murphy has had some submissions from some of you for the Echo, for the newspaper. Please continue to send work to her. Tomorrow, well actually tonight, we're going to make what for tomorrow's dinner?
Pulled pork.
Yeah, we're going to do pulled pork. So we're going to bring that to you. Check out the end of the announcements for how we're going to do that. We'll smoke a pork shoulder. That'll take like 18 hours. It'll be worth it in the end. This is the update for the hammock in the gear room. Sometimes Walter hangs out in this when I'm down here working. You can see some of the stuff that's back here that we use for climbing and hiking and that kind of thing. Some of the stuff that we use in Outdoors Club and Climbing Club, which we'll get going back when we come back to school. Hope everybody's still doing well. Let us know how you're doing in the comments. Let us know if you need anything. Let us know how those recipes are working out. Remember, if you like what's going on, hit like. If you want to continue to see what's going on with some notifications about it, hit that subscribe button. Take it easy, Oneonta. So I decided not to do pulled pork today for tomorrow's dinner. Today we're going to have some pierogies with a salad. We'll make pulled pork tomorrow for Sunday.